Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history effectively. Begin by actively engaging with your textbook. Before reading, quickly scan chapter headings, subheadings, and any provided summaries to get a general idea. Look for key terms and important dates that will guide your focus. As you read, ask yourself questions about the content to deepen your understanding. Remember to highlight only the most crucial information, aiming for about 10 to 15% of the text. Next, develop strong note-taking habits. Instead of copying text verbatim, summarize the main ideas in your own words. Consider using methods like Cornell Notes, which divide your page into 3 sections for notes, cues, and a summary. Mind maps can also be excellent for visualizing connections between concepts. Creating timelines helps you grasp the chronological order of events. Make sure to review your notes frequently, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes each day, to solidify your understanding. To truly master history, focus on understanding context and making connections. Don't just memorize facts. Strive to understand the why behind historical events. Think about how new information relates to what you've already learned, identifying overarching themes. Analyze the cause and effect relationships between different events, as history is a continuous chain. Always consider multiple perspectives from various groups involved to gain a more complete and nuanced understanding of the past. Finally, consistent review and application are key. Regularly test yourself using flashcards for key terms and dates, or by answering practice questions. Discussing historical topics with classmates can help clarify concepts and expose you to different viewpoints. Try writing short summaries or essays to articulate your understanding of complex events. Applying historical lessons to current events can make the subject more relevant and help you see its enduring impact on the world around us.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.